Good evening and thanks for joining us tonight. 7 people arrested in connection with the killing of a Green Bay teen made their first court appearances this afternoon.
And during the proceedings, we actually learned more about Tuesday's fatal shooting on the city's east side. The suspects are accused of taking part in the shooting death of 15-year-old Jeremy Teller, Brad Tower, Celia Holguin, Samuel Godinez, Miguel Garcia, Julio Gonzalez, Isaac Robbs, and Terrell Gutierrez all appeared in Brown County Court by teleconference today before the court commissioner. Fox 11's Alex Rinaldo has the latest in this Fox 11 follow-up.
Brown County District Attorney David Lassay has not formally charged the 7 suspects yet. He says new information is still being uncovered.
Obviously, it's more complicated because of the number of people involved, and I want to have all the information before I make a formal charging decision.
But Lassay was able to bring accounts of Tuesday night's events to the court commissioner. He said Celia Holguin drove everyone to the house on Smith Street. According to reports, she stayed in the car while all 6 men got out, going after Jeremy Teller and his cousin.
Chasing these individuals down and surrounding, in particular, Mr. Teller.
The group was not actually after Teller. They were apparently trying to find someone Brad Tower fought with earlier that day. But Lassay says the outcome shows they all knew what could happen.
So I think it's very clear that all 7 clearly went over there with the intent, at a minimum, to do harm to a party.
The court commissioner agreed with Lassay, saying there is probable cause all 7 committed felonies, and by all accounts, even his own Julio Gonzalez pulled the trigger.
Gonzalez stated that he fired 1 shot in the air, which again is not consistent with the physical evidence, and stated that he fired another shot.
Physical evidence showed 1 shot was aimed at Teller's cousin. Lassay says 2 charges are likely for Gonzalez.
First-degree intentional homicide and attempted first-degree intentional homicide for also the murder of Jeremy Teller, but also the shot that was fired at his cousin.
There are several possible charges for the other suspects. Lassay says the most serious would be party to a crime of first-degree intentional homicide. The maximum punishment is life in prison. We did attempt to speak with the suspects' families following court today, but they say they fear for their safety and did not want to go on camera. In Green Bay, Alex Rinaldo, Fox 11 News.
Now, bond was set for all 7 suspects today. Those bonds range from $50,000 to $1 million cash. Lassay says formal charges will likely be filed by the end of next